It's snowfall now. The temperature is about 0 degrees Celsius. So, that is what we mean when we say that you need to prepare the hives beforehand for winter control. We, in our pavilion, set microphones in advance. They are laying on the textile coverages, on top of the frames, and now we can safely get its plug, and connect the mic to the smartphone, and to check the state of the bees. Now we will connect the microphone plug to smartphone, and we'll make our measurements. The microphone is situated on the textile coverage of the frames, and is covered with a pillow. And it can hear the bees perfectly, because the nest and all the bees are already high enough. So, our smartphone is connected. This is how the picture of a good signal of the bees looks like, in the monitoring mode. Bees are somewhat concerned about our recent inspection. The signals are somewhat unstable, so it's better to go to the general state control mode and use the averaged results. We will make a measurement with 5 measurements, for 30 seconds each. So, the measurement is over, and here is the diagnosis, the normal state of the wintering family. The bees calm down. And here is our second hive, which we must check today. Let's get out our microphone connector from the hole. Connect it to the smartphone. And start monitoring.
Подключим сейчас телефон, смартфон к разъему и произведем контроль. Итак, наш второй улей, который мы должны проверить.
So, this is our second beehive that we need to check. We start Apivox Auditor app. In the main menu we check that we have connected settings for wired microphone.
Выборка микрофона показывает, что подключен проводная гарнитура. Итак, мы подключили.
We have connected the device, and we see an excellent picture of bees signals. Winter mode is chosen. The gain is minimal. Then our test will be correct. We see good powerful signals. Now we will start control. At first we will use the short interval, 15 seconds. Then, we will make measurement, using a long interval. So, the result is ready, normal state of the wintering family. You can add some air, because the bees are slightly ventilating their hive. It is possible that the concentration of carbon dioxide is slightly increased. Nevertheless, the diagnosis speaks about the normal state of this family. That's all. Now you see how it is simply to make control of the bees in winter, if everything is prepared in advance. We will make a screenshot, and we can look at the signal by itself for some time. We can leave the device connected, select parameters for a long measurement, and make measurement again. Smartphone can be left hanging here, and we can go away for these 3 minutes, which lasts our control, and we will get a good, averaged result. Long-term measurement, 5 times for 30 seconds, gave the same result. There is practically no ventilation, the normal state of the wintering family, in principle. This is all we need. The family is calm. We can make a screenshot, turn off the smartphone, and return our connector to its place. That's it. What else I want to say? As you can see, The hives are in the pavilion. This does not create any problems for control. A small hole is made, the microphone connector is taken out to the street, and the microphone lies on the textile, covering the frames. In the place closest to the bees. Microphones can be made from a wired headset for a smartphone. It is very important to have them all the same. The cost of such a headset is about $1.50. For amateur beekeeper, this is quite acceptable money. If he has 10 or 15 or 20 families, the sum will not be great. You just need to install microphones from autumn, and throughout the fall and winter, you can receive reliable results, without disturbing your bees. And it does not matter whether beehives are in the pavilion, or outdoors. Preparing for monitoring will take only the time, which takes the operation to plug the connector into the smartphone, and to take readings for 15 seconds or for 3 minutes. In this manner, we think it's necessary to carry out winter control on the amateur apiary, without any anxiety of your bees.